There's one important question, other question I will explain after some time. That if we meditate, we feel problems, lot of problems are coming in the mind. And somebody is giving an idea that if you try to accept problem as presence of God, then problem will not exist. Okay, let us have this example. I have a problem. I have a jealous. I want to kill someone. This is the problem. Then let us accept that killing process is presence of God? No. Therefore, never try to understand and accept what answer I know is correct. If we experience any answer as correct, at the same time you will know how to repair your body system, how to get knowledge to live on this earth till we decide. You will be able to do anything whatever you decide, but you will do only thing which is based on the principle of truth and non-violence. You will have knowledge of willing departure, willing incarnation. If you are having true answer of any question, remember it. Oh, I know water is made up of hydrogen, oxygen. It means this is the truth, I get 100 marks out of 100? No, this is not truth. This is taught, this is the knowledge of chemistry. We learn it, but this is not truth. God has become water, this is truth. God has become hydrogen, oxygen, this is truth. God has become the power of love, which is bringing hydrogen, oxygen together, this is the truth. Then what is the God? You cannot know God until you have perfect love. What is the perfect love? Love without any condition. How to start it? Select your head to toes, whatever you feel. Whatever you feel, love it. What is the process of loving? You are learning every day. It is already explained by many prophets of all ages and land. If you want to feel presence of God, then be like child. What is the meaning of be like child? It does not mean try to get the 5 years old age or 4 years, no. What is the nature of child? Child is learning everything. Child asks, what is this? This is mango. Yes, it is mango. Then child reminds again and again, mango, mango, mango. Then remembers, what is this? This is banana. Child will remember again and again, this is banana, banana, banana. They recite inside. Be like child means try to believe. We do not know answer of any question. We are going to learn it. We are going to learn everything. How to use our eyes and ear and nose and tongue and teeth and legs and arms, everything. How to use your mind and wisdom. When you have this kind of thought, then we are child. Maybe I am 90 years old, doesn't matter, I am child now. If you believe in this way, I am going to relearn everything, guarantee you will have reversal of aging. After a few years you will look like 80. Again after a few years look like 70, 60, 50, like this. Let us believe this clearly. Through the Kriyayoga science, we are ready to solve personal problems, and we are ready to solve problems of all persons who have devotion in Kriya, are trying to learn it.